Hello guys, and today I'm going to show the best $250 gaming PC build. So before we start the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's get started. The aim of this build was to get a PC that anyone could afford and which could at least play every new game out there at 720p or 1080p resolutions. The parts shown here are all new and are calculated on the basis of the prices on Amazon at the time of making this video. As always, the links and prices for the parts are in the description, so you can check them out if you want. The first part that will be shown here is the motherboard, which is the Gigabyte GA B250M. This is a micro ATX motherboard that supports the processor here and has all the necessary inputs and outputs required. It is also quite good in terms of upgradability and is the best option for a build like this. The CPU here is the Intel Pentium G4560. This is easily one of the most popular CPUs in terms of gaming and is rightfully so. It is a dual-core CPU clocked at 3.5 GHz, which also supports hyper-threading. This is actually really great for gaming and is also very nice for doing other tasks on the PC as well. For the power supply, we have the EVGA 400W N1. This is actually not a bad choice for a budget build like this and is really cheap for what it is. This will be able to run all the components without an issue and will also leave some free headroom for upgrades. The GPU that the build includes is the Nvidia GeForce GT 1030. This is pretty much the best budget GPU that you can get for well under $100. It has 2GB of GDDR5 memory, which in turn makes it equivalent to the Nvidia GeForce GTX 1050 Ti in terms of gaming. Overall, there isn't a better option for a GPU at this price that delivers this much performance. For the RAM, we have a 4GB DDR4 Patriot memory stick. The only reason I have gone with DDR4 is because the motherboard only supports DDR4 type memory, and this could be one of the cheapest options you can find for that. Also, 4GB is good enough for gaming, but if you want more memory, then you can buy two of these for not much money either. For the storage, we have the Seagate Barracuda 500GB hard drive. This is pretty much the cheapest option for hard drive that also works surprisingly well for the price and will also give you some decent amount of storage room. Storing all those components is the Roswell Micro ATX case. This case will run you about $25, which is a steal for a case that looks and works this well. The case also comes with fans pre-installed, and for the price, I don't think that you'll find a better deal for a case than this. So those were all the components of the PC done, and now to show you how well the PC actually performs in games. So without any further ado, here are the results. So in conclusion, I would say that this is easily one of the best options for a PC build that you can build with all new parts. If you're looking for a PC that can play all of the latest and greatest games at 1080p, then this could be a great option for you. So that's it for the video guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.